Hello students, today in this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is light. Light is a very important as well as very interesting chapter, and you can relate this chapter with your real life also. So let's start from the real life experience. When you wake up early in the morning, what you feel? You are able to see everything, whatever the things present around you. You are able to see the objects which is present around you. You are able to see the trees. You are able to see the birds. So you are able to see everything in the morning. But what happens in the night when there is a dark and no light is there? You are not able to see the objects around you. So we can say that light play a very important role in our life, and it helps us to see the object around us. So we can say that light is a form of energy. It is a form of energy which enables us to see the objects around us. Now one question comes, that is light is only necessary to see the object? What about the person who is blind? That person have the light, the source of light is present, object is present, but he is not able to see the objects because he is blind. So we can say that eye also play a very important role to see the objects. Now the question comes, how light enables us to see? Means how we are able to see the object, and how this light enables us to see the object. So let's take an illustration. Here is the bulb. The bulb is the source of light. We can say that it is a source of light. It's a ball here, the object. It's an object, and you are here. You are present here means your eye is here. Now we want to see this object. So how we are able to see this object, ball? When the light comes from the source, when it falls on the object, and from the object it reflects or bounces and reaches to our eye, and in our eye there is a presence of retina. The presence of retina where the image formed, and from optic nerve it sensation of visibility go to our brain, and from there we are able to see the object. So we can say that we need a source is very important, because without light you are not able to see this ball, and without eye also you are not able to see the ball. A blind person cannot able to see this ball. The blind person have the bulb is there, source is there, object is there, but eye is not there. He is not able to see the object. So for the visibility we need a source of energy. Source of energy, it means we need a source of light, as well as we need eye, human eye or any eye by which we are able to see the objects. So we can say that this is the process by which we are able to see the object. Means the light comes from the source, it falls on the object, and it bounces and comes to reach to our eyes, and through our eyes we are able to see the object. Now the second point we are going to discuss here, that is sources of light. So what are the sources of light? We know that the sources of light are the sun, star, the object which emit the light, that is your sun, bulb, fire. These are the sources of light, means from where we are getting the light. That is called the luminous object. The firefly is also a luminous organism. So we can say that the object which emit, which produce the light, that is called luminous object. And in contrast, that object we are not able to emit its own light, that is called non-luminous object. For example, wood, stone, plastic, all these things which is not able to emit the light. We are only able to see these objects through the light. So this is all about the light introduction.